Wow, this is normally just a vacant, empty lot. And look at the road. I have to go around this. Wow, that's a power line down. Unbelievable. And a big tree. That is just unbelievable to me. This is my parents' neighborhood. And I'm driving now. So you can see there's stuff in the middle of the road. Wow. There's a tree down over there. Wow. I'm really surprised actually. I did not think that this far up north they would have this bad of debris, but I guess since they have so many more trees up here than downtown, their debris and their mess just looks different. Ours is just a bunch of glass and saplings all over the place and road signs.